pollution.
Stop the pollution.
Stay green.
Keep the planet clean.
Reduce waste.
Don't waste.
We have a solution. We have a solution.
Stop the pollution.
Stay green.
Keep the planet clean.
Reduce waste.
Don't waste.
We have a solution.
Stop the pollution.
Come on, let's move on. So, from Better Way Children's Holiday Club, we have been working on climate change and how to slow down the process, which is eventually going to destroy all of us, right, and our future. So, what have you been doing? Can anybody say something? Go on. Huh?
Making posters.
About?
The world.
About the world. So, what's.
Pollution.
Go on.
Don't destroy our future.
We have a solution.
Stop the pollution.
Now, our children really wanted to bravely come out on the street and make a point. They wanted their voice to be heard by the community, and they insisted on chanting these slogans. That's why on this cold day we are out here. Our kids are out here really happily. They are the ones who wanted to come out on the street and have this procession. They've been working hard to make these lovely posters because they really care about our world. And who wants to say something? Why are you doing this?
Climate change.
Hi.
To raise awareness about climate change.
Yeah, so do you think a lot of people do care?
I would say like a lot of people, they don't care about our climate. They just kind of like when in the streets they get their rubbish and they throw it out in the streets, right? Like they don't care about the consequences. So I guess like this is kind of raising awareness, and it's good, like people are gonna think about like their decisions instead of throwing it in the road.
You know what, this really melts my heart to see kids like your age and tiny ones out here on the street on this cold day trying to raise an awareness. Well done, children. We're really proud of you. You make us really proud, and with children like you, this world is going to survive. So we have a problem and we have a solution.
Stop the pollution.